Morning, lockdown world. How are you doing? It is, oh, blimey, what are we? Week two, getting into week three of this strange world that we live in at the minute. And in the UK, the government's going to have a wee look and see whether this lockdown continues, which, looking at the data, is highly likely. So that means our teams remain dispersed, and that means now's a good time to learn how to run a great virtual team. So as you can see from my little laptop here, that we're into week two of how to build great teams in a virtual world, and week two is about the neuroscience of teams. And just to prove I actually do prepare for these things, we've got an awful lot to get through. So I'm going to talk about social cognitive neuroscience, which will profoundly change how you look at yourself and teams. I'm going to go into a little bit more detail of David Rock's SCARF model, and I'm also going to land that in a very practical way. So I've done a lot of prep for this because it is a really, really important aspect of building a great team. But when we're in this virtual world where your team is dispersed, the potential to kind of get things wrong goes up, in my experience. I've been running virtual teams now for over 15 years, so it's easy to get things wrong, and it's easy to have situations that get misinterpreted. So I think you'll find it really, really fascinating, sometimes a little surprising. Hopefully it will resonate with what you sort of know deeply in your own heart, and then at the end, very practical. These are little things that you can do to ensure you've got solid foundations. So it is at 12:30 today. The registration link is above, and I'm looking forward to seeing you. Okay, so stay well, and hopefully I'll see you soon. Take care.